Hi, and welcome to Neo Does Makeup. I'm Neo, and today this anime makeup look is inspired by the Neo Joker from Batman the White Knight. It was a series of comics where the Joker goes sane, and the Harley Quinn at the time ends up taking over the mantle of the Joker, and she becomes the Neo Joker. And oh my gosh, White Knight is my favorite comic book line from DC for Batman. And this whole theme for like Neo Joker, living. Anyway, I'm going to stop rambling so you can get into this video. Plus, Halo Eye slash. This is also like partially a review of the Norvina palette. So, yeah, this is a little bit of everything. So, anyway, hope you enjoy. Continue on. Okay, so let's get started. And I already took care of my eyebrows, primed, and set my eyelids, and today I'm actually using a new primer. This is the NYX HD eyeshadow primer, so far so good. And I actually said that using base from the Norvina palette. I'm so finally happy I'm getting to use this. So yeah, I took the base shade called Base, put that on the lid. And yeah, I can't wait to actually dig into this now. So let's see, what brush am I going to take? Okay, to start off, I'm going to take the shade right here, Love, which is showing up off. That's the one thing about these lights. They like make everything look a lot brighter than they actually are. So that's fun. But I'm going to take Love and put that above the crease, really close to my eyebrow actually. Ooh, that's pigmented. Okay, that is very pigmented, very pretty actually. I'm a fan. Okay, so now I'm going to dip into the shade Passion very lightly and just use that to deepen the crease area. Real quickly, take my Sephora Collection number 10 brush, I'm just going to blend. Okay, real quickly, I'm going to take Black Lace from Sephora Collection and just pack that on the outer and inner corners. Taking my Sephora Collection number 10 brush, just slightly going to blend that up and into the crease. Okay, so now I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. And this is in the shade Light Medium, Light Medium Beige. You obviously don't really need that, you just need whichever concealer you're going to use. And I'm actually going to now take an e.l.f. This is a small precision brush. I'm going to cut out the center portion so I can do a halo slash spotlight eye, which I haven't done in a while, so I'm like living for this right now. Also, I'm really loving how this actually looks all together. Like, loving it. Okay. Real quickly, while that is still wet, I'm going to take Drama and put that on the outer edges. And I just want to do one eye at a time. Next is Celestial. I do have to wet the brush. And then the last, like, for fun pop cinder, Wild Child. Real quickly, just blending the edges of all these out. Okay, so in person, you can definitely see the purples more. On camera, from what I can tell, you can't. Is she pretty? I'm actually really living for this, so I'm gonna go do the same thing on this eye. Might do a slight wing, come back with a full face, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I actually just tried out the new Wet n Wild. This is the loose highlighter in Written in the Stars. She blinding. And this is after I toned it down. That's the funny thing. Like, hold on, let me see where it is. Let's see this one. She blinding. Like, I'm loving it. And I think I said this before, because of the lighting, the camera does wash me out a little bit. This actually, oh my gosh. I'm trying the new Dior Backstage Foundation. She's pretty. I'm gonna put the, everyone's favorite underneath. And I used the Maybelline Fit Me powders. I'm really liking this look. Okay, so lower line. So back to the eyes. I'm essentially just going to take Passion and Love, which is the two shades I have up here in the crease, and blend them down here, and you'll see why. And I'm a little quickly going to take a little bit of black lace and run that from the outer corner in. Okay, so I'm really loving the eyes, and now to do something that's actually kind of scaring me, but I'm ready to do it. I'm ready to step out of my comfort zone. So in my haul video, I mentioned that I had this NYX Gel Black Mousse eyeliner, and what I'm going to do is recreate Neo Joker's classic line down the face that goes over, which I don't remember how she gets it, but I'm just like, that is iconic. So now I'm going to carefully, because it starts from like about here and trails down her cheek. So ooh, that looks really cool on camera, like from what I'm seeing in the low viewfinder, but I'm going to like really define it now. Okay, so now we have that line. I'm going to create a little line that trails off the other end of the mouth and onto the chin. Okay, so now I'm going to line my top lip with my Kat Von D Everlasting Lips Liner in Scully. I'm just going to line the top lip only. The bottom lip, I'm going to use a different color, so that's why. To finish the top lip, I'm going to be taking this new Milani Amore Matte Lip Cream in the shade Wicked and put it on the top lip. I feel like I look a little crazy and I kind of like it, so I'm going to let that dry real quick. And real quickly, I'm going to go back to the eyes. I'm going to use my Kat Von D Basket Case Liner to take care of the waterline. I feel like I look a little crazy and I'm okay with that. For a bottom lash mascara, Lash Renegade, and I'm actually going to be using Avenging Amethyst, which is the purple. So for the bottom lip, I'm actually going to take a Anastasia liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Heathers. Gonna let that dry. Ooh, this is very fun. I should save this for Halloween. Honestly, I'm loving how this looks, so. Okay, so for the inner corner highlight, I'm actually going to take the shade Dreamer, which is like, yeah, there you go. And place that right on the inner corner. Okay, I'm going to going to set my face with some setting spray, and I'll be right back. Oh, I'm also gonna let down my hair. Okay, so here we are with the finished look, and I love it. I feel like this is something I would be like, oh yeah, I'm gonna do something very nice, soft, sweet, inspired by it. And so I'm like, you know what? Let's give it to them. Honestly, I'm loving this like line. Oh my gosh. I feel like that's adding to the creepiness. Honestly, this eyeshadow, living for it. This duo lip, living for it. This highlighter, living for it. Is very blinding for the camera. Sorry. Like, let me show you again without the lights. Boom. Imagine seeing this at night. I think I'm gonna keep it right like this for now. Anyway, I had so much fun creating this look, and yeah, it doesn't go any further. It just trails off right there. Maybe from there it drips down to the, I don't know. Anyway, I had so much fun creating this look. And plus, okay, so as a slight like review too for this baby, everything blended out super well. A lot of the colors were very pigmented. The one thing I did notice is that when I was trying to get like Wild Child on the lid, it didn't want to take as well. Same with Drama. So they did take more than one coat to like really get on there. But other than that, and same with Dreamer. So the shimmers, I'm like borderline on, but you know what? I really like how this like whole thing is so cohesive. So it's approved. I like it. I love it, honestly. This whole like look, living! Anyway, I'm going to stop rambling so I can record another video. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. I hope to see you next time. Oh yeah. It's been over like 2 months since I've recorded anything, so I'm sorry. Anyway, if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you like me and want to see more, please subscribe and click that little bell button because every time I release a new video, you'll get a notification. Anyway, I think that's the last of it. Oh, plus you need to drop down and click, get all notifications that you do get them. Anyway, okay, yeah, I am ready to go and record another video. Okay, bye!